My name is Richard Meyer, and I am the owner of Sensing Solutions and Controls, which does not only sensing, but items in the control panel using a manufacturer named Lovato. Lovato also offers an exceptional line at a moderate price for motor protection and control. SS&C is a technical resource selling its products by solving process problems. Now this may be an assembly process, a medical device process, or we also have expertise in high purity valve systems, typically relying on a manufacturer named Habonim. Baumer Sensor Overview. This action kit, which shows the breadth of Baumer sensors, which are primarily inductive and photoelectric. I will focus here on photoelectric sensors and terminology for such. However, Baumer inductive sensors are among the best in the industry and include small form factors. I have had extensive experience with Baumer inductive, both as an engineer and as a salesperson. They're available in shielded, non-shielded, very small down to 4 millimeters. These are 6 millimeter inductives. Optical sensors come in basically 4 types: through beam, reflective, diffuse, and retroreflective. The through beam also can include fiber optic, putting it into very small spaces. This is shown in another action kit, and I'm always happy to show that to people. These types are denoted in literature and catalogs, which will be outlined in a minute. Baumer offers a sensor power supply and testing device, which is connected blue to negative using the European convention, brown to positive, black being the signal, and also a teach, which is usually the white wire. The sensor tester is available as a standard PNP and is included in the Baumer kit, which is comprised of a sensor for the R&D bench, specifically configured to each client's requirements. Baumer also produces a very small form factor capacitive sensor, which are typically used to detect clear containers, plastics, and fluids. All the sensors I have shown you, and the ones that will be shown on the PowerPoint with a little more description, I recommend using quick connect plugs, except for the nano sizes, which are so small that plugs really aren't available for them. In parting, I travel with an action kit which consists of most every kind and size of sensor wire, a pocket oscilloscope for isolating noise and signal integrity, and of course a high voltage multimeter. For these services, or to learn more about offered products, call, email, fill out the Get in touch section of the website. I also offer lunch to one member of any company that subscribes to our email list, or will bring in a snack for the whole crew. Thank you for tuning in to this demonstration.